Johnny Depp trial, live, Amber Heard resumes testimony after week-long break. Court proceedings in the defamation trial opposing Johnny Depp and Amber Heard have resumed after a week-long hiatus. Heard is being sued by Depp for $50 million for implying he abused her in a 2018 Washington Post op-ed. Although she didn't name him, he claims her allegations impacted his ability to work. As the break began, both sides issued statements expressing confidence in how the proceedings are going. In her testimony, Heard has already spoken extensively about her troubled relationship with Depp and detailed alleged physical fights. The court heard a harrowing account of an alleged sexual assault on her during a brutal and bloody altercation in Australia in 2015. Cross-examination may begin as soon as this afternoon. According to reporting by Law and Crime, Depp will also be called back to the witness stand as part of Heard's case. The jury will also hear from Whitney Enriquez, Heard's sister, and actor Ellen Barkin, with whom Depp had a brief relationship in the 1990s. The court is being played multiple audio recordings of the couple arguing, with Heard being asked to provide context. Heard testifies about seeing Depp self-harm with his knife and put cigarettes out on himself. Later she talks about how he would sometimes disappear for days on a bender and would pass out and vomit in his sleep. She says she would put him on his side so that he wouldn't asphyxiate. More pictures are shown to the court of Heard on a press tour for Magic Mike, also appearing to show scars on her. Heard says Depp was very upset with her for going on the press tour. She describes a fight between the two of them while on their honeymoon train trip in Asia on the Orient Express, during which she says her clothes were ripped. Another recording is played to the court in which Depp can be heard saying, "You're not a effing school teacher. You don't exist." She says they were discussing recording each other without permission. Depp reacts as court hears audio of Heard calling him Junkie Johnny. Johnny Depp appeared to scoff as an audio of Amber Heard calling him Junkie Johnny was played in the court in the former couple's multi-million-dollar defamation trial. Johnny Depp reacts as court hears new audio of Amber Heard. Amber Heard took the stand on Monday for a third day of testimony in the multi-million-dollar defamation trial. Depp and Heard used the word couch as a safe word in their fights to call a truce. In a previous recording played to the court, Heard could be heard repeatedly saying the word couch. So now we have some clarity as to what was going on there. She says they began recording conversations to help with their communication problems, later adding that she was constantly juggling which version of Depp she was dealing with, and that one version wouldn't remember what the other said depending on which drugs he was on. The court is shown a paparazzi shot of Heard on a red carpet with scars apparently from the Australia fight, in which she says he held her down on a counter covered in broken glass. Heard testifies about a declaration in 2019 to move the defamation trial to California instead of Virginia. She says that as hard as it is to go through this trial, it's even harder to do so in a place that neither she nor Depp are connected to. Why the Johnny Depp v. Amber Heard defamation trial is being held in Virginia. Washington Post computer servers allow Depp lawyers to sue in Commonwealth. Heard is asked to recall the first alleged instance of abuse by Depp. She says it changed her life forever and is something that you never forget, but says in her previous testimony she got the date wrong. The incident in which she says Depp hit her over the "Wino Forever" tattoo occurred in 2012. Not 2013. Heard says she reviewed journals, diaries, texts, and calendars to establish a more accurate timeline. Amber Heard describes first time Johnny Depp allegedly hit her over Wino tattoo. Actress said she was heartbroken to be slapped 3 times across face. As the questioning of Ms. Heard continues by her counsel Elaine Breedhoff, there's a barrage of objections from Mr. Depp's team. Trial to resume shortly. Both Amber Heard and Johnny Depp have taken their seats in court alongside their legal teams and are awaiting Judge Penhas Carte in the jury. Where to watch Johnny Depp's defamation trial against Amber Heard. Several outlets broadcast proceedings live each day. Recap: most explosive moments so far in star-studded defamation trial. Testimony in the trial from Mr. Depp, Ms. Heard, and their friends and employees has thus far painted a captivating and disturbing portrait of the actors' doomed marriage, laying bare their violent fights, drug use and vicious words to